Ah, dude. Hey, Dolph. Ooh, girl.
Pretty sick, bro.
Oh, dude, that's nice and greasy, bro.
Yeah,
So what was the next top struts?
Top struts.
Okay. Do we know what size?
Sure don't.
Sure don't. Let's go for just a good 14 maybe.
Yeah.
Oh!
You got a one?
Oh no, I'm using a gun for that. Dude. I'm not using a little hand tool.
Oh, come on, man. This thing's quick.
Yeah, but it's also in 3/8, and I'm trying to use quarter. Let me think here. No, we're good. Okay, I was just making sure I didn't have to hold anything.
Okay. Oh, wait.
What?
You sure?
Well, the worst thing that could happen, right, is we dump the whole strut, and that's coming out anyway, right? Okay, so here's what I'll do. Can you manage the gun while I'm just gonna do one of these.
Ready?
Yeah, give me.
Oh no.
Oh, I feel it getting heavier.
Oh jeez.
I'm gonna dump. Hold on. All right, go ahead.
Oh wait, I gotta take off.
No,
these.
you don't.
You sure?
I don't think so. No. I think it's just those three.
You ready?
Yeah.
You off?
Emma, come to Papa. I think we.
Yeah, there's something in the middle. You gotta pry that part up.
Oh God, damn it.
Okay.
Screwdriver? Yeah. We got only a bunch of them.
Ah!
Oh, wow, good guess.
I'll take it.
Oh,
That one's thicker. I want that one.
You like it thick? Just a thick head. Alright. Do you think I should hold the bottom still? Or hold the strut still? I mean, I watched like one whole YouTube video on this.
Yeah,
So I think...
I mean, basically masters at this.
Oh. You
Let me just go around. Hey. I'm sorry. Oh, this isn't coming up.
Does it not screw on?
No, I've already tried that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh. Fuck.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Alright, hold on.
Wait,
Let's try this. We
tight right there.
Will you take...
I think it's loose right here.
Will you take El Camarino?
Loosey,
Or did you get it?
loosey.
Oh, I forgot about... Yeah, I kind of forgot about the main strut bolt. That's pretty impressive. Okay, what's
size
that?
we got?
19. Good guess. 19. Good guess.
No, it's way too big.
Oh, yeah, definitely way too big. 16. Good guess. It's not a 16. 18. Good guess.
I got a 17.
38. 17, I bet. Let's see.
Right.
What's up with... Okay, so underneath the car, like on the
I'm just gonna switch it.
underneath the car on the transmission, pretty much every single bolt that we did was either 16 or 12, and there were some 10s, I believe, if I remember correctly.
Right.
But when we're on suspension, everything's 17, pretty much. Pretty much everything we've done is 17, right?
Yeah, so far. I don't wanna scratch you. Scratch you.
Did you not just hand me? This is a 14. Why'd you hand me a 14?
To put it up.
Oh. You're right. All right, we
I
good?
wanna scatter all the tools, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go around this way because
Oh, it's in my shit.
you get the. You need to hold.
Yeah, I'm holding it. I got the good hand on it.
Ah, it's not deep enough. You need a deep socket.
Right. You need a deep 17, bud.
You can take my short 17.
I'll just put that one up for you too. Why do we have two 17s? All right. That's gonna get lost. Go ahead and just place your bets now.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm holding.
There we go. I was like, wait, why is that not going on?
Right.
The stranger.
Yeah,
I don't want to scratch your paint, you know.
Yeah, I'm wearing the hose like a necklace.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Ow! Kevin, help me, dude.
That came off so
Can you
fast.
grab this? It's really fucking not light.
It came off so fucking fast. Jesus.
Alright, hold on.
The whole tower.
So that's all that did. We just had to hit it with a hammer, basically.
Or an air wrench.
One strut down. And a dirty phone. Alright, strut is back in. Just kind of loose. We're gonna reassemble the bottom half before we tighten these down. Because if you push up on the bottom of the strut, you see all that play? I don't know if that's gonna help tighten those or not, but I think it'll be a smart move in the long run. Are we gonna start with this? This is what we're doing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, let's knock. Front is completely reassembled. Onto the back, we're gonna do this side at once, and then the other side of the car at once, so that when we're done, we can let it down. Like, we'll put this side down first, and then this side, and then this driver's rear, and the driver's front last. And I'll sit roughly right around here so I can see it lowered down for the first time, hopefully get it on camera too. That should be pretty interesting. But let's see if, I don't think we'll record the other side once we do this rear, but we'll do some periodic updates on this side as well. And then try and knock the other side out pretty quick, because you're on a time schedule, right?
Yep.
Alrighty, well, we'll see. Alright, so the car is back in. This is the second day. As you can see, it's now wet. Last night ran a little late. We broke a bolt out on the driver's rear, and were unable to get it, so we had to drill it out late last night, and had to leave the car on jack stands all night. This morning, got up, took about 30 minutes to reassemble the other side after we knew what we were doing, but I figured it would have been best to just not include a different day and the rain and all that. This wasn't meant to be a tutorial, as you can tell. This is just kind of a documentation of what was happening. There's definitely tutorials online if you wanted to learn. I'm sorry if you came here to learn, but yeah, we don't really do the whole learning thing. This is more of a documentation of the moment type deal. I have to go get an alignment today, but other than that, it's basically done. I haven't driven it. I just pulled it in however some feet, but I think it looks good now. I had to get out of the rain, or else I would have recorded it outside. But I think it looks pretty good. I'm excited. I'm ready. Hopefully it settles a little bit more. And the rear, I'm tempted to run a spacer. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to yet, because I would like a little bit more poke off there. But you know, it's whatever. Once the car is aligned and everything like that, I'll take some pictures of it and put it online. Peep that right there, if you want to see what it looks like when it's completely settled. But yeah, thanks to Evan for helping me. It made it a lot easier, and hopefully we'll record more installs, you know, performance stuff and stuff like that, not just lowering springs. And actually maybe we'll try a tutorial every now and then. So
I was real stressed. Shit, I'm still stressed.